This is Boaty McBoatface. This is our auto sub long range. This is a platform to deliver sensors underwater. So this device here can go for 4,000 kilometers without needing to recharge. It can go down to 6,000 meters at a time. The National Oceanography Center is one of the world's leading oceanographic institutes. We've been around for about 6 decades, and we have 2 of the blue water research vessels here in the UK. So when the UK was building their new icebreaker, the Sir David Attenborough, it wasn't called the Sir David Attenborough yet. They put out a naming contest to the people of the UK, and the name that won was Boaty McBoatface. They weren't going to call their new icebreaker Boaty McBoatface, so they decided on Sir David Attenborough, and as a consolation prize, we named the ALR Boaty McBoatface. So here at OSM, we hope that people come by the National Oceanography Center booth, and they learn a bit more about what we do and what we can collaborate with them on, both within the UK and globally. One of the big ideas that the National Oceanography Center is working on is how our oceans interact with our climate. About 90% of the heat generated from climate change is absorbed by the ocean, and about 30% of the carbon. How that is going to affect the climate in the future is a really big question for us, and that is one of the big areas that the National Oceanography Center is putting its effort into. We also work with marine carbon dioxide removal. It's important to set out standards in the industry about how we measure marine carbon dioxide removal. And what this is using the natural environment, the natural marine environment, to pull carbon out of the atmosphere and store it in the ocean. The National Oceanography Center works with several agencies around the world to develop these sort of standards on how we measure that moving forward. Work in the National Oceanography Center is always changing. If you want to find out more about what we're doing, follow us online.